To get started, you need paper, pencil, clothespins, glue, scissors, and colors. First, we're going to draw the head of the crocodile. We're going to draw only the head, not the body. Like so. We're going to draw the two eyes. And then the mouth, we're going to draw a zigzag pattern, like so. And that's it. We're also going to draw the eyes like that. Okay, so that's all the teeth for the crocodile. Now, for the second one, we're going to draw a fish. So we're going to start off with the body of the fish, then the tail, okay? And then we're going to finish on the body. Now, I want this to go a little bit longer than this one, okay? And we're going to draw the teeth like a zigzag, just like we did the crocodile, okay? Like this. And then we're going to finish the line. We're going to go ahead and draw one eye. And that is the fish. Now that you have your crocodile and your fish, let's go ahead and color them. Okay, once you color your drawings, go ahead and grab your scissors and cut these out. Make sure you cut through the zigzag of the teeth and a straight line across. Same with the crocodile. Zigzag on the teeth and a straight line across. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to use silicone glue, and I'm going to put glue across the clothespin like so. And I'm going to grab the bottom part of the fish, and I'm going to glue it along the bottom part and the top, and glue it on the top part of the pin. Just like this, you want it to be perfectly aligned with the clothespin. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing with the crocodile. The bottom part will go on the bottom, and the top will go on the top of the clothespin. And there we go. We have our fish and our crocodile clothespins. I'm gonna eat the fish and our crocodile.